Hey, what's going on, guys? Derek Peachy here from Glitch PCs. I hope you guys are all having an absolutely fantastic day, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a broken hard drive in your desktop computer. So the only three tools you're going to need for this job is a long Phillips head screwdriver, tweezers, zip ties, and a wire cutter to cut the tails off the zip ties or cut any zip ties that are already in the PC. So these are the only tools that you're going to be using or needing to use. It's a very simple job, so let's get right into showing you how to do it. So the first step is to pop open the case. Alright, so now we can see the inside of the computer. Now to people who have never really worked on computers before, this might look scary, but don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. It's very simple. For beginners especially, I suggest tipping the PC kind of on its side, like so. So tipping the PC on the side like this, especially for beginners, just makes it a little bit easier to reach everything and work on stuff. So also make sure the PC is unplugged before you work on any of the internal parts. So the next step is to locate your hard drive. Now my hard drive in this PC is located right here. It's a 500 gigabyte Seagate hard drive, and unfortunately this one died though. This is a very old PC, so this one died. And there could be different ways that your hard drive is attached. It could be like something like this where it's screwed through the back. This is an aftermarket. It could be something like this where it's a pull-out tray. You kind of squeeze these tabs together and pull out the tray, and the hard drive is in there sometimes. And sometimes even the hard drive on especially newer PCs is located underneath the PSU shroud, which is like a kind of a cover that comes over the bottom, and sometimes they're often underneath there. But in this case, this one's right over here, so let's remove it. So on this PC, the hard drive is screwed in through the back vents, which is kind of interesting. I'm guessing this is an aftermarket job. So we have a screw right here and a screw right here. So what you're going to want to do is just take that long screwdriver that I showed you at the beginning of the video and just unscrew it. In this case, like I said, different hard drives will have different mounting mechanisms. Like sometimes they'll be in the back of the case, sometimes they'll be in like those little drawer things. But just in this case, this is how mine is. Make sure if it's mounted like this, make sure to hold the hard drive as you're unscrewing it, because it will fall and you could damage something other than the hard drive. Like if you drop it on your motherboard, that would be very bad and unfortunate. The next step is to unplug the cable. So this is the SATA power cable. This sends power to the hard drive. So just unplug that by pulling on it. Some of them have clips, some of them don't. And then this is the SATA data cable. So this is what actually plugs into the motherboard and sends data to and from your hard drive. So just pull that off of the plug as well. Depending on where your hard drive is positioned, this step needs to be done first, or in my case it can be done kind of whenever. So we have the hard drive removed. Okay, so I have a new hard drive. It is the exact same type of hard drive. It's another 500 gigabyte Seagate hard drive, exactly the same as the last one I had. So basically now it is just the reverse steps of what we did before. So I am going to take the SATA data cable and plug that into the port right here, and I'm going to take the SATA power cable and plug that into this port right here. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the screwdriver and the screws that I had and just basically screw the hard drive back in wherever it came from. And this is the exact same thing for whichever type of hard drive mounting mechanism you have, whether it's one of those hard drive trays, whether it's mounted behind the PSU shroud, wherever it is. Just do the exact opposite of what you did to remove it. So, hard drive is in. Now all we have left to do is put the side panel back on. So for this Dell Optiplex, you just slide the bottom clips in, push down on the top, and you're done. So I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. I hope you were able to replace your hard drive by using this video. I'm sure you were. If you need any help reinstalling your operating system like Windows 10, I have a very detailed, in-depth video on how to do that. I'll leave the link down in the description below. And yeah, so make sure to go follow me on Instagram, link down in the description below at glitchpcs. Also check out my website at glitchpcs.wixsite.com. And you can find many awesome products on there, such as computer parts, pre-built computers that I've built, refurbished PCs, such as this Dell Optiplex, and all sorts of things like that. So make sure to go check out my website, and make sure to get subscribed on my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this and fun projects that I've done. And so yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one.